everybody, my name is Seth Kweku Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright guys, so let's go to Photoshop and let's go and bring our image. Just drag it, this one, drag it in there. Now as usual, I am going to leave this in the description for you to use. So there are various ways of cleaning the face, doing photo retouching. This is one of the many ways you can clean an acne on the face. The first thing you're going to do is duplicate the image. We need to make sure the red color on the face is also corrected. So let's go here, let's go to hue saturation and then go to master. Make sure you select reds and then let's drag the red up a little bit. Okay, so you see what we are doing. We want to make sure the color red is a little bit corrected. Okay, so keep on going until you hit somewhere where the color red changes to something like yellow or greenish. Then now we can boost the saturation up a little bit, just a little bit. I think even 6 or 7 is good. We don't want too much of it. Let's give it 6. The lightness, let's boost it a lot. So now we can see that the red color is corrected. This was before and then this is after. But then it also takes away the original color from the image. But we will come and work on that later on in the tutorial. So now that we have this, let's click here and create a new layer. Click on spot healing brush. Make sure content aware is selected and also click on the sample all layers. Now this is going to help us to sample all layers on one particular layer. So all the edit we are going to be doing is going to be on one particular layer for us, and that is very cool. So let's click on it. Let's see, make sure your hardness is around 56. It's quite good. Now one secret about dealing with the spot healing brushes, always make sure your brush is bigger than the area you want to correct. That way you can sample it well. So it's gone. Nice. Just want to handle the spots first. Then we'll deal with the other areas. You can also click and drag. 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 Oh, let's see. But it looks like we are done, but we are not. There is a lot in there that the eyes cannot see because of what we did. Alright, so now make sure the hue saturation is made invisible. You see, now once it's invisible, you begin to see other areas that we need to work on. So let's zoom out a little bit. And then let's work on it. Just drag if you can. I know it's going to take quite some time, but it's understandable, right? Beauty, they say, is pain. So you got to take time, work on it, understand. It's really needed. Oh, now this one looks quite good, but let's leave it like this. Let's click on the hue and saturation. Let's reduce the opacity to 20%. Okay, so this was before this. Okay, now let's put everything in a layer. Alright, so this was before, after. Alright guys, so now this is before and then this is after. Looks good and looks natural. So guys, please, if you love this tutorial, please hit the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there are many videos coming that I don't want you to miss out on. I also have some affiliate links down there. Please do check them out, and if you love them, feel free to use them. I love you all guys. Peace out.